What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Guys, I'm here in a really big location. This is the largest location in my area, and I'm finding some super cute items and some new items like these super cute faux mushrooms. This is definitely a first for mushrooms to be a part of the fall and harvest decor. It's just super cute. I love the little speckles and the plump little shape of them. We also have these felted pumpkins. Yeah, you guys, we're hopping right into it. We have this one that's like in an oatmeal color. We have this orange. We have this pretty sort of like pinky purple color. And then over here, we have some adorable crocheted pumpkins. It says sweater pumpkin picks, and they are really, really cute, you guys. Like, adorable. Look at that. Like, that is so cute. And then over here we have light blue, we have navy. These are all the velvet pumpkins. We also have some of these in the sister store. If you want the 7-inch size, we have some for $5 that are much bigger, and they have a slightly different color palette in Family Dollar. That's the sister store, Family Dollar. We have this like khaki color. Wow, these are really, really cute. And then we also have, look you guys, I thought these were like Easter themed, but no. These are football wreath forms. You guys could definitely use this at Easter time too and make like an Easter egg. And then we have these brand new pumpkin wreath forms. That's my first time seeing those. And then we have some beaded and faux pumpkins down below that we've seen in past years. What's this? These are selling out fast. Look at these. Super cute. Okay, we have the little metal signs, fall, autumn, and gather. These remind me of little pocket letters, and then we have the beads. And then we have the little burlap. We have witch hat forms, wreath forms. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Sweater pumpkins, faux leather. Look at these. All the decorative picks are here. I really like what Dollar Tree has going on this year in regards to all these pumpkins. We just have all these different textures. We have leather, we have sweater textures, we have the super cute and cuddly velvet, we have burlap. These are just really cute, and I just like their cute and tiny size. And then these are, I think, the clips. Nope, these just have the little ties on the back. Here are some of the ribbons. This one is new for this year. Oh, this is so cute with the blue. I really like the blue and the orange together. All of the decorative mesh. We have the little fabric. Sometimes they call them fat quarters, but I don't know if that's the correct terminology for this variety. Look at these. The little cute acorns. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have more. We have more of the super cute mushrooms. Now, can't you guys just see someone that loves like Super Mario, like hand painting these on like a crafting channel? These would be so cute, and you get 8 in a bag. And then over here we have the acorns, we have the apples, we have the super tiny hay bales. Ooh, these are really nice. I saw someone purchase a bunch of these. These are the little pumpkins and owls and scarecrows that you can hand paint. We have even more hay bales, little straw bales. Even more DIY craft items. The little rocks are back, grateful and blessed, and also give thanks. We have brand new stickers. Aren't these cute? Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Again, we are seeing the mushroom as a real like piece of fall decor this year, and this is the first time I think the mushroom has been embraced as a fall item. Teapots, coffee, apples, squash, pumpkins. I really like these window clings. We have Gather. But you don't just have to put them on your windows. You could put them on a vase. You could put them on a notebook or a journal, or you could put them on a package. You could put them on a poly shipping envelope. Super cute. Wow, look at this, you guys. All of the cute wall decor. This one's nice. Last, we also have it in this sort of grayish blue. Thankful. I had to come over here and look at some of these back to school items. We have a cute little dinosaur eraser, a strawberry eraser. We have a little rainbow eraser. Centicorns. These are cute, centicorns. Then we have sentimals. These are cute. Cute little magnetic cork boards for your lockers. Strawberries and cactus. Cute locker decor. Welcome. More of the pumpkins. These are the faux leather pumpkins. Brown, gray, and orange. And then we have more of the buffalo check in black and white and orange and white. By the time you guys see this video, I probably would have gone live in here and shared a lot of these items. That's my plan, at least. This store has some laggy spots for live streams, so we'll see what I can do. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the little gnomes up there. Happy fall. The gnome, the dog, the turkey. They're missing the mushroom though. And of course, we have some Halloween items as well. We have the little Halloween spooky trees. So many DIY wooden crafts. We have the little metal ghosts, the little metal pumpkins, the little flowers, 36 faux bones, spiders. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these, you guys. These are adorable. Anything with a cute little face, and I love it. Trick or treat. I love Halloween. I put a spell on you. Boo. But first, coffee. They're really cute. I think that's it for me in here. Again, as I mentioned, when you guys see this, I probably would have gone live. So I plan on sharing a lot of these items in my live. These are definitely new. The velvet ribbons. Wow, this is my first time ever seen velvet ribbons in Dollar Tree, and a lot of them match the little cute velvet pumpkins that they have. So if you want to kind of tie in the pumpkins and the velvet ribbons, you could totally accomplish that here in Dollar Tree. But you guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.